Hello and welcome. In this Getting Started video, I'll show you how to create a stunning professional About Us page for your Shopify store in just minutes. No design skills required. Once you've installed the About Us page builder from the Shopify App Store, simply open it from your Shopify dashboard. You'll land here, your main workspace where all your About Us pages are managed. You have two ways to begin. Want to launch quickly? Choose a ready-made template. Prefer complete creative control? Start with a blank canvas. Either way, everything is fully customizable to match your brand. Let's start with templates. Browse our collection of professionally designed layouts, preview them with a click, and select your favorite. Every element is fully editable. Text, images, colors, buttons, layouts, everything adapts to your brand. Editing is incredibly intuitive. Simply click any section to update text, upload your own images, or adjust styling like fonts, colors, spacing, and alignment. On the left panel, you'll find pre-built blocks, team members, timelines, testimonials, and more. If you choose to build from scratch, click this button to start with a completely blank canvas. From here, you can add section blocks in any order and style them exactly how you envision. To add an image, first click Section Blocks. Select the section you want, and it appears on your canvas. Then, click Elements to add text, buttons, images, or any other component. It's that simple. Before publishing, click Live Preview to see exactly how your page will look on desktop and mobile devices. Make sure everything looks perfect across all screen sizes. When you're happy with your design, click Publish. A settings window will appear where you can customize your URL, set the page author, and choose where to display the page, in your header menu, footer, or both. Click Publish and congratulations. Your About Us page is now live on your store. Need to manage your pages? Click Page Management in the left sidebar to view all your created, drafted, and published pages. Use the three-dot menu on any page to edit, duplicate, or delete it. It's easy to keep your workspace organized. And that's it. In just minutes, you've created a beautiful, professional About Us page that tells your brand story and connects with your customers. Need help? Our support team is always here for you. Now go ahead, start building your story.